Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to shop on Nike website from mobile. So first up, open your internet browser or your Google Chrome and then go to the search box and we're going to type right here nike.com. Then you will go to Nike homepage. So here, as you can see, you will find all the featured products from Nike. And also we have here trending products. Now here, if you want to shop, just tap on the shop button and you will go on the next page. Basically, you will find all the gifts or products that you can buy. So for example, you can actually use this filter button right here. So if you tap on filter, you'll find this page. Basically, you can sort by featured, newest, or by price. You can also choose the gender, the shop by price, or the sale and offers, colors. We have here brands, sports, athletes, and best for. So you just need to filter all the products that you want to buy, or you can use the tab right there. You can choose the category. For example, here on jackets. Now, for example, if you want to order this product, so basically tap on that. Then you will go here on this page where you can select the size. So for example, this medium. And once you've done, just tap on this add to bag button. Then it will show you this option. So we're gonna tap on this checkout button. And then you will go on the next page. You can see how would you like to get your order. You can either choose deliver it or pick it up. So basically, I just want to deliver it, and you just need to enter your name, your address, and then your contact information. You can enter your email and your phone number, and just need to check this box right here and then tap on this continue button. Now, once you've done filling up all the necessary information, you want to go here on the next page. When would you like to get your order? So just tap on continue button, and here what's your billing address. So you just need to check that billing matches shipping address, and here tap on continue button. Now here finally you can choose either you want to buy using credit card, debit, or PayPal, GPay, GCash, or depending on your payment method. So complete your payment details, and then once you've done, just need to tap on this place order button. So that's how you basically shop on Nike website from mobile. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.